Hi, this is Evan from Digital Team Coach. In the last few months, our churches have needed to pivot really quickly to be able to engage and connect with people online. A lot of us have been using Zoom to connect on Sundays, to have our services, to have that face-to-face interaction and engagement. Things are starting to shift as we move out of lockdown and isolation. And even if we are still in lockdown, we need to be considering how we transition, how we can do hybrid church, of moving back into face-to-face church, but still provide opportunities for people to connect with us online, particularly in our Sunday services, and to be able to live stream at the same time as having in-person services. It's not an easy thing to do, to be able to do those two things together well and to be able to connect and engage with both those audiences well. It's trickier than it looks. What I want to do is resource you with the budget that you have, and it might not be much at all, with the gear and talent that you have, the resources in your church, so that you can live stream effectively and live stream well as you start to do hybrid church. One of the reasons is you won't have everybody coming straight back into church all at once, partly because of restrictions. Maybe some people won't feel comfortable doing that yet. Some people won't have the mobility or the capability to come back into your church. But to be able to provide that resource for them to still have that participation and engagement is really important. So I'm going to be running this workshop soon on the beginner's guide to live streaming from church, particularly how we do that hybrid style church together. The resources that you need on a small budget and to have a small footprint. So we're going to be looking at the AV, the video and the audio that you need for live streaming. I'm going to show you how you connect those aspects together, the hardware and the software, and then what you need to be able to manage that feed and moderate that engagement with your online audience. Especially if you're the main person running a church service or you're giving a sermon and running different aspects of the service, you just can't be the person at the same time who's going to be facilitating and moderating the technology around that. So I want to help resource you and your church to be able to live stream from church again soon. Please join this workshop, register below, and I look forward to seeing you there.